Breaking here late on a Friday that Jamie Dimon has sold nearly $250 million, 233 million, I believe, to be exact, of his JP Morgan stock is fairly historic. So I think there's a lot going on here. Let me read what I posted just a week ago. There's a lot at stake right now. Some institutions are against the wall with gold and silver. Would maybe take a stock market shock to stop its rise temporarily. The Federal Reserve is under attack politically. Trump wants rates lower. Risk of a systemic stock market hit is rising. So, all this said, I do not know. I don't have anything secret, but just putting it together. Obviously, there's a lot of things out there. Auditing of the Federal Reserve, it's a private institution. Not only does the Fed control the United States' currencies, but the majority of the world. So most of the central banks are all part of the same network. I think there's a lot at stake here, right? There's an Epstein list that could be coming out. Don't know if there's any relation to this. There's just Kash Patel was just sworn in here this afternoon. An awful lot could be taking place. So we know that there are problems. There are problems in the gold market. There's problems in the silver market all over the world. And this is essentially the backbone of the financial system. So what really is going on? So going back to the post I did last on Valentine's Day last week, just going back that there's the when stuff like this happens, right? You often see the possibility of extreme volatility. So does an event take place that could cause just a financial distraction, potential hit? We know Warren Buffett is at all-time record cash. So what is he waiting for? What is Warren Buffett waiting for? And we've been talking about these things together on X over the last number of weeks. What are people expecting this year? Just an awful lot. Could a curveball be thrown? I think we all can look back and say there was a pretty big curveball 5 years ago about this time. It was in Trump's last year of his term. Would a curveball be thrown at President Trump in his first year of his term? I think with everything at stake, anything is possible. I think we're all just going to have to keep an eye on what is taking place, what is happening. I expect extreme volatility in a lot of markets should something happen. So let's stay tuned.